Morning, brother and sister. As you can see, this tree was absolutely dead. I can show you the trunk. You can see it was already rotten. It was rotten. I felt sorry for it. I said, man, I'm going to save that tree. So you can see it's very dry. It was very dry. It was dying. I said, I can do something for it. So I started watering, putting water, and after 3 weeks, 4 weeks almost, and then I see a shooting. I was gonna see, behind here, the trunk, the fresh one start coming, and this one here, you can see behind. But this is the front one was dead already. You can see it dead. You can see how water can do amazing thing. Just give it water. I was giving water, 2 days. I started every day, and then after that, every 2 days. Look how it looks like now. So the fresh branches and the dry trunk. So amazing. So living together. How can? So that's how things can revive. So you can see the tree, the leaves is growing nicely. Green. When one part is still dry, and the other one is fresh. So we can save these things because they are also living beings like us. So we need them. They give us fresh air, and so it's very, very amazing how things can happen. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. See you next time. Put your comment below if you like it.